What are the side effects of using hydroxyzine for immediate anxiety relief?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about hydroxyzine, a medication that's often used for immediate relief of anxiety symptoms. As with any drug, it's important to understand the potential side effects, and that's our focus for this video.
What is hydroxyzine?
Hydroxyzine is an antihistamine medication, meaning it's primarily designed to combat allergic reactions. However, it's also widely used off-label for treating symptoms of anxiety due to its sedative properties.
Common side effects of hydroxyzine.
Like all medications, hydroxyzine can have side effects. The most common ones include drowsiness, dry mouth, headache. These effects are usually mild and go away as the body adjusts to the medication.
Severe side effects of hydroxyzine.
Less frequently, some people may experience severe side effects. It's essential to seek immediate medical attention if you notice any of the following: difficulty urinating, rapid heartbeat, involuntary motor control loss, such as tremors or twitching, confusion or hallucinations.
Special considerations.
If you have certain conditions, such as glaucoma, a heart condition, or difficulty urinating due to an enlarged prostate, hydroxyzine may not be recommended as it can worsen these conditions. Also, hydroxyzine can interact with certain other medications, so it's crucial to let your healthcare provider know about any other drugs you're taking. While hydroxyzine can provide relief from anxiety symptoms, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Always consult your healthcare provider about any concerns or questions you have regarding your medication. This will ensure you're using hydroxyzine safely and effectively. Thanks for watching, and take care.